This spicy cucumber salad takes just 10 ingredients. It makes a refreshing lunch or side dish for dinner. Start with trimming the ends off the cucumbers, then smash them with the flat side of your knife and tear into bite-sized pieces. Toss the cucumbers with salt to help draw out excess water. Let the cucumbers drain in the fridge so they stay cold. For the dressing, mix lime juice, tamari, sambal or sriracha, and toasted sesame oil. Then, defrost frozen edamame with boiling water. Rinse the salt off the cucumbers, add the edamame and dressing, and stir well. Add avocado, sesame seeds, and scallions to finish it off. The combination is refreshing, salty, and has just the right amount of spice. You can enjoy this salad on its own or add it to your favorite rice bowl.